Hey everybody, Nickel Adventure 406 here. Today I'm going to take care of some of these rust spots that are in all of my Fender wells. So let's get into it. Alright guys, step one is getting this thing down to bare metal. Step two, clean and degrease that bitty and then shoot some primer. Final step is to lay on that rubberized coating and lay it on thick. Once it dries, I'm going to shoot a couple more layers. That way it fills in the low spots. Alright, that's all she wrote. Got the rubberized coating refinished in here in the Fender wells. I think I'll put a couple more coats on a little bit later in the day once this has had a chance to set. That way it looks nice and flush. But with this being done, we are one more step closer to the paint booth. And hopefully the next time you see this car, I will be slapping some freshly painted suspension parts back up in there. So with that being said, you guys stay adventurous out there, and I'll see you next week.